हेलो गाइस, आज हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ के एयर और स्पेस म्यूज़ियम में और ये वर्जीनिया में है। देखते हैं अंदर कैसे रहेगा। सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक।
And it was characterized as the world's first airplane capable of flight. Well, this, of course, outraged the Wright brothers and started a long feud between the Wright family and the Smithsonian Institution, which finally ended in 1948 on the death of Orville Wright and the bequeathing of the Wright airplane to the Smithsonian Institution. It was put on public display on December 17, 1948, 45 years to the day after the Wright brothers flew their airplane.
our spacesuit. For example, we have all these astronaut gloves over here. And if you look really closely, you can see this mirror on our glove right over here. A lot of people would wonder, why would an astronaut need a mirror out in space?
Okay.
And the main reason is, if you imagine yourself inside this suit over here, you see this really rigid metal ring around the astronaut's helmet. If I need to see any of these controls on my chest, I can't bend over and look at my chest. I'm not going to be able to see that. So out in space, they'll use this mirror on their glove and they'll point it at their chest to actually see all their different controls there. And that's the reason why you see all this text over here is actually backwards. It's because when you look at it in a mirror, it flips it around so you can see it normally.
Wow.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Very creative solution.
So thank
Absolutely.
you.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
you work here?
Yes, exactly.
You're a student?
I'm a local college student. Exactly.
Oh wow, so you are doing internship here?
Yes, correct. So all of the people in red shirts over here are local high school and college students
cool.
who work here during the summer.
You're doing a great job.
Oh, thank you very much.
So
I
much.
appreciate
Thank you
it.
so
Yeah,
much.
absolutely. Thank you. Or it can warm them up if they're feeling chilly while they're inside their suit as well. It actually just depends on the speed of both.
So this does touch them, or it doesn't?
Yes, this
it
is
does
what's
touch
touching
the
their
skin.
Correct, yes.
Wow. You're a student, right?
Yeah,
And you're doing your internship here?
No, I work here.
Oh wow, that's cool. You look pretty young.
Thank you.
So what are you going to tell us today?
I'm talking about living and working in space, so how our astronauts are living in space and how they sort of get used to. What is this? Yeah, you can play a little guessing game here. So I have 3 foods and 3 drinks. They're space foods. We can sort of try and guess what they are. This one's our first space food.
This looks like I'll tell you, pasta.
Yeah, mac and cheese. Yeah, you're exactly right.
सो गाइज़ मैं आई हूँ यहाँ पे स्पेस एंड एरो म्यूज़ियम में, और यहाँ पे मुझे इतने सारे एयरक्राफ्ट, इतनी सारी चीज़ें देखने को मिली कि बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है, और मैं ये आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी बहुत जल्द. सो आई होप यू विल एन्जॉय वॉचिंग दिस एंड गोइंग through this museum, which is just amazing. यहाँ पे US Marines, US Air Force, Boeing और बहुत सारे प्री वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के एयरक्राफ्ट और कैसे शुरू हुए बनने एयरक्राफ्ट, ये सब कुछ दिखाया गया है. इट इज़ रियली इंटरेस्टिंग एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें पता नहीं थी, और बहुत अलग अलग टाइप्स के, अलग अलग शेप्स के एयरक्राफ्ट मुझे देखने को मिले जो just wow है. So I hope you will enjoy watching this, so keep watching.